राम 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 सुप्रभातम सर्वेभ्यः हृत्पूर्वक नमस्काराः। श्रीरामभुजंग प्रयात स्तोत्र कक्ष्यायां सर्वेषां स्वागतम्। A warm welcome to all of you to the fourth session of Sri Ramabhujanga Prayata Stotram Parayana Abhyasah. We have completed 10 verses yesterday, so we will continue learning from the 11th verse. In case we have time, we will have some individual chanting also. आदौ गुरुवन्दनं मङ्गलश्लोकाञ्च उक्त्वा कक्ष्यायाः प्रारम्भं करिष्यामः। सर्वे कृपया श्लोकान् वदन्तु इति प्रार्थये। गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे, गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे, न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः, मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानामालयं करुणालयम् नमामि भगवत्पादशङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। भारतीतीर्थपर्यन्तं भक्तहृत्तापनाशनम् भवभीतिहरं देवं भावये सततं हृदि। विद्याविनयसम्पन्नं वीतरागं विवेकिनं वन्दे वेदान्ततत्त्वज्ञं विधुशेखरभारती। अनन्तगुणसम्पन्नामनन्ताभिधयाश्रुताम् अनन्तज्ञानदात्रीं तां मातरं प्रणुमो वयम्। गैर्वाण्या संविबोधेन जीवनं मौल्यसंयुतं या करोत्तान्नमाम्यम्बां शारदामूर्तरूपिणी। Okay, we have learned the first 10 verses. A warm welcome to the panelists also. Charu and could Ishu please rename yourself and request the panelists to please share your webcam and the mic when I call out your name. We will quickly have a recap of the verses we learned yesterday, that is 6 to 10. We'll just start with the first one, Vishuddham Param, then 6 to 10, then we'll begin learning from the 11th verse onwards. Vishuddham Param Satchidanandarupam Gunadharam Adharahinam Varenyam Mahantau Vibhantam Guhantam Gunantam Sukhantam Swayandhama Ramam Prapadye. Ishu, please chant 6 and 6, 7 and 8. Then the last Charu to chant 9 and 10. Okay, I think Ishu is not there. Charu, please chant. Oh, she's here. Okay. Yeah, 6 to 8.
लसच्चन्द्रिका स्मेरशोणाधराभं समुद्यत्पतङ्गेन्दुकोटिप्रकाशम् नमद्ब्रह्मरुद्रादिकोटिरत्नस्फुरत्कान्तिनीराजनाराधिताङ्घ्रिम् पुरः प्राञ्जलीनाञ्जनेयादिभक्तान् स्वचिन्मुद्रया भद्रया बोधयन्तम् भजेऽहं सदा रामचन्द्रं त्वदन्यन्न मन्ये न मन्ये न मन्ये यदा मत्समीपं कृतान्तः समेत्य प्रचण्डप्रकोपैर्भटैर्भीषयेन्माम् तदा विष्करोषि त्वदीयं स्वरूपं सदापत्प्रणाशं सकोदण्डबाणम्
Uttamam issue. Very well chanted. Charu, could you chant 9 and 10, please?
निजे मानसे मन्दिरे सन्निधे हि प्रसीद प्रसीद प्रभो रामचन्द्र स सौमित्रिणा कैकयी नन्दनेन स्वशक्त्यानुभक्त्या च संसेव्यमान स्वभक्ताग्रगण्यैः कपीशैर्महीशैरनीकैरनेकैश्च राम प्रसीद नमस्ते नमोऽस्त्वीश राम प्रसीद प्रसाधि प्रसाधि प्रकाशं प्रभो माम्
Uttamam. Okay, you can continue, Charu. Okay, before we begin today's verses, request all of you to please look at the chat box. I have shared a few links with you all there. That is, some of you had requested for the pronunciation sessions in the other chanting webinars so far. So I've shared with you 2 of them from our Bhagavad Gita webinar and Saundarya Lahari. And I've also shared the session by Dr. Soumya Krishnapur in our Suprabhatam course on the nuances of Dvitvam and Brahma, pronunciation of words like that. And some aspects of Chandas also she has dealt with. So please go through that video. It's all of you look at your chat box, it is there. And also if you log into sanskritfromhome.org, you can browse various courses on chanting. We have completed many webinars. However, you will be able to access the PPTs, the PDFs, the lessons, the audio video recordings. So I would urge you all to register for free. You just have to click on the register button and you will be able to access the other chanting courses as well, which will help you to appreciate the rules of pronunciation, etc. better. Okay, now let us start with verse 11. Tvamevasi daivam.
त्वमेवासि दैवम् त्वमेवासि दैवम्
Param me yadekam.
परं मे यदेकं परं मे यदेकं
Suchaitanyametat.
सुचैतन्यमेतत् सुचैतन्यमेतत्
Tvadanyana manye.
त्वदन्यन्न मन्ये त्वदन्यन्न मन्ये
Yato bhudameyam.
यतो भूदमेयं यतो भूदमेयं
Viyadvayu
वियद्वायुतेजो वियद्वायुतेजो
Jalorvyadikaryam.
जलोर्व्याधिकार्यं जलोर्व्याधिकार्यं
चरन् चाचरन् च
चरन् चाचरन् च चरन् चाचरन् च
very beautiful verse again. Tvamevasi daivam param me yadekam. You are indeed the supreme Bhagavan, my one and only supreme Bhagavan. Tvamevasi daivam param me yadekam. Suchaitanya me tatvadanyanna manye. So we do not split. Only the first time I taught you by splitting the line. We chant the entire line together. Suchaitanya me tatvadanyam na manye. When we combine the sandhi, it becomes tvadanyanna manye. Yato bhudameyam avagraha chinha. We all have learned yesterday and day before. Yato bhudameyam. So bhu is Mahaprana. When we chant the line together, it becomes Yato bhudameyam viyam vayu tejo. So someone asked me how to pronounce that. So basically, instead of pronouncing the Anuswara completely, we chant it as Yato bhudameyam viyam vayu tejo. The nasal tone to V. Yato bhudameyam viyam vayu tejo. The nasal tone should come. That is very important. This is an optional rule, but we follow it consistently in Vyoma to combine the Sandhi. Again, if you see there is a hyphen here, so we combine both the lines while chanting. We don't split it. So, Viyadvayu Tejo Jalor Vyadi Karyam. Please see here, there is a R, Jalor Vyadi Karyam, Charam Chacharam Cha. Here we combine the Sandhi. Jalor Vyadi Karyan Charan Chacharan Cha. Everywhere. Karyam, Charam, Chacharam Cha. In all these places, we combine and chant it as Jalor Vyadi Karyan Charan Chacharan Cha. Okay, let us do one line at a time. Tvamevasi daivam param me yadekam.
त्वमेवासि दैवं परं मे यदेकं त्वमेवासि दैवं परं मे यदेकं
सुचैतन्यमेतत्त्वदन्यन्न मन्ये
सुचैतन्यमेतत्त्वदन्यं न मन्ये सुचैतन्यमेतत्त्वदन्यं न मन्ये.
There, Charu, please combine the sandhi tvadanyanna manye instead of tvadanyam. Okay, once again.
सुचैतन्यमेतत्त्वदन्यं न मन्ये.
Twice.
सुचैतन्यमेतत्त्वदन्यं न मन्ये.
Uttamam. Yato bhudameyam viyam vayutejo jalorvyadikaryam.
यतो भूदमेयं वियद्वायुतेजो जलोर्व्याधिकार्यम् यतो भूदमेयं वियद्वायुतेजो जलोर्व्याधिकार्यम्
Charan chacharan cha.
चरन् चाचरन् च चरन् चाचरन् च.
Okay, now we do half a verse at a time, 2 lines together. Tvamevasi daivam param me yadekam suchaitanyametat tvadanyanna manye.
त्वमेवासि दैवं परं मे यदेकं सुचैतन्यमेतत्त्वदन्यन्न मन्ये. त्वमेवासि दैवं परं मे यदेकं सुचैतन्यमेतत्त्वदन्यन्न मन्ये.
Yato bhudameyam viyadvayutejo jalorvyadikaryam charan chacharan cha.
यतो भूदमेयं वियद्वायुतेजो जलोर्व्याधिकार्यं चरन् चाचरन् च यतो भूतमेयं वियद्वायुतेजो जलोर्व्याधिकार्यं चरन् चाचरन् च.
Now the entire verse. त्वमेवासि दैवं परं मे यदेकं सुचैतन्यमेतत् त्वदन्यं न मन्ये यतो भूतमेयं वियद्वायुतेजो जलोर्व्याधिकार्यं चरन् चाचरन् च.
त्वमेवासि दैवं परं मे यदेकं सुचैतन्यमेतत्त्वदन्यं न मन्ये यतो भूतमेयं यद्वायुतेजो जलोर्व्याधिकार्यं चरन् चाचरन् च. त्वमेवासि दैवं परं मे यदेकं सुचैतन्यमेतत्त्वदन्यं न मन्ये यतो भूतमेयं यद्वायुतेजो जलोर्व्याधिकार्यं चरन् चाचरन् च.
उत्तमं, धन्यवादाः चारु. Next one, Ishu. नमः सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय
नमः सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय नमः सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय
तस्मै
तस्मै
नमो देवदेवाय
नमो देवदेवाय नमो देवदेवाय
रामाय तुभ्यम्
रामाय तुभ्यम्
नमो जानकी जीवितेशाय
नमो जानकी जीवितेशाय नमो जानकी जीवितेशाय
तुभ्यम्
तुभ्यम्
नमः पुण्डरीकाय ताक्षाय
नमः पुण्डरीकाय ताक्षाय नमः पुण्डरीकाय ताक्षाय
तुभ्यम्. So
तुभ्यम्
here Tubhyam is Mahaprana everywhere. Bha is Mahaprana. Namas Satchidananda Rupaya Tasmai. Namo Devadevaya Ramaya Tubhyam. Namo Janaki Jiviteshaya Tubhyam. When you combine the third and the fourth line, it becomes Tubhyan Namaha. So instead of the Anuswara, we chant it as Tubhyan Namaha. Here, this we know as a Upadhmaniya. So Namaha Visarga followed by Pa, we chant it as Namah Pundarikaya Takshaya Tubhyam. Now we will do one line at a time. Namah Satchidananda Rupaya Tasmai.
नमः सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय तस्मै नमः सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय तस्मै
नमो देवदेवाय रामाय तुभ्यम्
नमो देवदेवाय रामाय तुभ्यम् नमो देवदेवाय रामाय तुभ्यम्
नमो जानकी जीवितेशाय तुभ्यम्
नमो जानकी जीवितेशाय तुभ्यम् नमो जानकी जीवितेशाय तुभ्यं
नमः पुण्डरीकाय ताक्षाय तुभ्यम्
नमः पुण्डरीकाय ताक्षाय तुभ्यं नमः पुण्डरीकाय ताक्षाय तुभ्यम्
Uttamam. Now 2 lines at a time. नमः सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय तस्मै नमो देवदेवाय रामाय तुभ्यम्
नमः सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय तस्मै नमो देवदेवाय रामाय तुभ्यम् नमः सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय तस्मै नमो देवदेवाय रामाय तुभ्यम्
नमो जानकी जीवितेशाय तुभ्यं नमः पुण्डरीकाय ताक्षाय तुभ्यम्
नमो जानकी जीवितेशाय तुभ्यं नमः पुण्डरीकाय ताक्षाय तुभ्यम् नमो जानकी जीवितेशाय तुभ्यं नमः पुण्डरीकाय ताक्षाय तुभ्यम्
Tamam. Now all the entire verse, all the 4 lines together. नमः सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय तस्मै नमो देवदेवाय रामाय तुभ्यम् नमो जानकी जीवितेशाय तुभ्यं नमः पुण्डरीकाय ताक्षाय तुभ्यम्
नमः सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय तस्मै नमो देवदेवाय रामाय तुभ्यम् नमो जानकी जीवितेशाय तुभ्यं नमः पुण्डरीकाय ताक्षाय तुभ्यम् नमः सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय तस्मै नमो देवदेवाय रामाय तुभ्यम् नमो जानकी जीवितेशाय तुभ्यं नमः पुण्डरीकाय ताक्षाय तुभ्यम्
Uttamam, very well chanted, Ishu. There is a question here, so it pertains to this verse. I will just take it at this point of time so that you all know the context. So Prasad Mahodaya has asked us about this difference in this halanta m and this anuswara here. So if you see here, tubhyam is represented with a m and a halanta, and here it is represented with an anuswara. So the rule in Sanskrit, very briefly, is that whenever it is a m and it is at the end of a line, then we put the m and the halanta. Sorry, but if it is in the middle of a line, like for example, the anuswara is in the middle of a line and followed by a vyanjanam, then we use the anuswara. If you see here, the reason they have put this is after half a verse, we have this danda and then 2 dandas. It indicates like it is the end of like 1/2. So at the end of 1/2, they have put this m and a halanta. And here it is the, actually speaking in a shloka, I mean here also, if you consider this pada separately, you want to write only the third pada separately, then at the end of a sentence or end of or an individual word by itself, then we write m with a ma with a halanta, m. The anuswara is used in the middle of a sentence or when the next word starts with a vyanjana. However, if the next word is starting with a swara, then again m with the halanta is used. So these We have dealt with this in some of our basic Sanskrit courses like Pravesha, which we have just completed. That is the course for Samskrita Bharati's first level exam. In that course and in some courses like that, we have dealt with these examples of when M with a halanta is used and when we use the anuswara. At the end of a sentence or a word by itself, or even in the middle of a sentence when the word is followed by a swara, we use ma with the halanta. All other places we use an anuswara itself. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now, Charu, next verse, verse 13. नमो भक्तियुक्तानुरक्ताय
नमो भक्तियुक्तानुरक्ताय नमो भक्तियुक्तानुरक्ताय
तुभ्यं
तुभ्यं तुभ्यं
नमः पुण्यपुञ्जैकलभ्याय
नमः पुण्यपुञ्जैकलभ्याय नमः पुण्यपुञ्जैकलभ्याय
तुभ्यं
तुभ्यं तुभ्यं
नमो वेदवेद्याय
नमो वेदवेद्याय नमो वेदवेद्याय
चाद्याय पुंसे
चाद्याय पुंसे चाद्याय पुंसे
नमः सुन्दरायेन्दिरावल्लभाय
नमः सुन्दरायेन्दिरावल्लभाय नमः सुन्दरायेन्दिरावल्लभाय
नमो भक्तियुक्तानुरक्ताय तुभ्यं. So bha and bha mahaprana. Here namah punya punjaika labhyaya tubhyam. By now you all will know this is called a upadhmaniya, visarga followed by pa. Namah punya punjaika labhyaya tubhyam. Again bha and bha mahaprana here. Namo veda vedyaya chadyaya pumse. Here please note pumse, we chant, it is pumse. We have to chant the anuswara completely. Pum, completely. Pumse. Namas sundarayendira vallabhaya bha mahaprana. Here when we combine line 1 and 2, we could combine it as tubhyan namah pundari. Tubhyan namah punya punjaika labhyaya. So anuswara is replaced by n by the rule of sandhi. We'll do one line at a time now. Namo bhakti yuktanuraktaya tubhyam.
नमो भक्तियुक्तानुरक्ताय तुभ्यं नमो भक्तियुक्तानुरक्ताय तुभ्यं
Namah punya punjaikalabhyaya tubhyam.
नमः पुण्यपुञ्जैकलभ्याय तुभ्यं नमः पुण्यपुञ्जैकलभ्याय तुभ्यं
Namo veda vedyaya chadyaya pumse.
नमो वेदवेद्याय चाद्याय पुंसे नमो वेदवेद्याय चाद्याय पुंसे
Namas sundarayendira
नमः सुन्दरायेन्दिरावल्लभाय नमः सुन्दरायेन्दिरावल्लभाय
Uttamam. Now 2 lines at a time. Same question, I think one more Sanjit Das Mahodaya has raised. So here again, Tubhyam, the second line, it is like it is like at the end of a section, right? This danda indicates it's the end of one half of a verse. Therefore, it is m with the halanta. Even while writing sentences, prose in Sanskrit, if there is that m sound at the end of a sentence, we write ma with the halanta. This halanta indicates half letter in Sanskrit. In case some of you are not familiar, this particular line below ma, that indicates that it is a half letter. In Sanskrit, if we don't have this line, the letter is pronounced full. Whereas in Hindi, when you write Rama, it is pronounced as Ram. I'll just show you. Maybe I think some of you have a doubt regarding this. So, in Hindi, when you write Rama, this is pronounced as Ram. The last letter is by default pronounced half. That is not the rule in Sanskrit. If we remember, Vyanjanam Tvardhamatrakam. Only a Vyanjana is half. This ma here in Sanskrit, it is m plus a. So when this word in Sanskrit is read as Rama, we don't read it as Ram. When do we read it as Ram? Only when there is a halanta here. Only when a halanta is there, we read it half. Otherwise, all letters are pronounced completely. So that is the main difference you should remember for those who have a Hindi background. So here, Tubhyam, the second Tubhyam in the second line is at the end of that half, just before the danda. It indicates end of a section. Therefore, halanta is here. Here, while chanting together, we actually combine the sandhi and chant it as Tubhyan Namah Punya Punjaika Labhyaya. Now we'll do 2 lines at a time, right? Charu, we have to do now? Yeah, okay. Namo Bhakti Yuktanuraktaya Tubhyan Namah Punya Punjaika Labhyaya Tubhyam.
Namo Bhakti Yuktanuraktaya Tubhyan Namah Punya Punjaika Labhyaya Tubhyam. Namo Bhakti Yuktanuraktaya Tubhyam. Namo Bhakti Yuktanuraktaya Tubhyan Namah Punya Punjaika Labhyaya Tubhyam.
There, Upatmaniya once again. Namah Punya Punjaika Labhyaya Tubhyam.
Namah Punya Punjaika Labhyaya Tubhyam. Namah Punya Punjaika Labhyaya Tubhyam.
Namo Veda Vedyaya Chadyaya Pumse Namah Sundarayendira Vallabhaya.
Namo Veda Vedyaya Chadyaya Pumse Namah Sundarayendira Vallabhaya. Namo Veda Vedyaya Chadyaya Pumse Namah Sundarayendira Vallabhaya.
Tamam. Now the entire verse. Namo Bhakti Yuktanuraktaya Tubhyam Namah Punya Punjaika Labhyaya Tubhyam. Namo Veda Vedyaya Chadyaya Pumse Namah Sundarayendira Vallabhaya.
Namo Bhakti Yuktanuraktaya Tubhyan Namah Punya Punjaika Labhyaya Tubhyam. Namo Veda Vedyaya Chadyaya Pumse Namah Sundarayendira Vallabhaya. Namo Bhakti Yuktanuraktaya Tubhyan Namah Punya Punjaika Labhyaya Tubhyam. नमो वेदवेद्याय चाद्याय पुंसे नमः सुन्दरायेन्दिरावल्लभाय
उत्तमं चारु, धन्यवादाः. Next one, issue. नमो विश्वकर्त्रे
नमो विश्वकर्त्रे नमो विश्वकर्त्रे
नमो विश्वहर्त्रे
नमो विश्वहर्त्रे नमो विश्वहर्त्रे
नमो विश्वभोक्त्रे
नमो विश्वभोक्त्रे नमो विश्वभोक्त्रे
नमो विश्वमात्रे
नमो विश्वमात्रे नमो विश्वमात्रे
नमो विश्वनेत्रे
नमो विश्वनेत्रे नमो विश्वनेत्रे
नमो विश्वजेत्रे
नमो विश्वजेत्रे नमो विश्वजेत्रे
नमो विश्वपित्रे
नमो विश्वपित्रे नमो विश्वपित्रे
नमो विश्वमात्रे
नमो विश्वमात्रे नमो विश्वमात्रे.
Very beautiful sounding verse with lot of meaning. And see the Shabdalankara there. Notice the same sound repeating. That's one of the Alankaras, Shabdalankara. It adds beauty to any work. Namo Vishvakartre, Namo Vishvahartre. Issue?
नमो विश्वकर्त्रे नमो विश्वहर्त्रे नमो विश्वकर्त्रे नमो विश्वहर्त्रे
नमो विश्वभोक्त्रे नमो विश्वमात्रे
नमो विश्वभोक्त्रे नमो विश्वमात्रे नमो विश्वभोक्त्रे नमो विश्वमात्रे
नमो विश्वनेत्रे नमो विश्वजेत्रे
नमो विश्वनेत्रे नमो विश्वजेत्रे नमो विश्वनेत्रे नमो विश्वजेत्रे
नमो विश्वपित्रे नमो विश्वमात्रे
नमो विश्वपित्रे नमो विश्वमात्रे नमो विश्वपित्रे नमो विश्वमात्रे.
One thing all of you have to note, the Samyukta Akshara here, Vishvakartre, there are two ras there. Both we should chant clearly. It is not Katre, it is Kartre. So, r twice, Kartre. Again, Vishvahartre. Both the ras should be heard clearly. Bha is Mahaprana, Bhoktre. Okay, now we'll do 2 lines at a time. नमो विश्वकर्त्रे नमो विश्वहर्त्रे नमो विश्वभोक्त्रे नमो विश्वमात्रे
नमो विश्वकर्त्रे नमो विश्वहर्त्रे नमो विश्वभोक्त्रे नमो विश्वमात्रे नमो विश्वकर्त्रे नमो विश्वहर्त्रे नमो विश्वभोक्त्रे नमो विश्वमात्रे
नमो विश्वनेत्रे नमो विश्वजेत्रे नमो विश्वपित्रे नमो विश्वमात्रे
नमो विश्वनेत्रे नमो विश्वजेत्रे नमो विश्वपित्रे नमो विश्वमात्रे नमो विश्वनेत्रे नमो विश्वजेत्रे नमो विश्वपित्रे नमो विश्वमात्रे.
उत्तमम्. The entire verse now. नमो विश्वकर्त्रे नमो विश्वहर्त्रे नमो विश्वभोक्त्रे नमो विश्वमात्रे नमो विश्वनेत्रे नमो विश्वजेत्रे नमो विश्वपित्रे नमो विश्वमात्रे
नमो विश्वकर्त्रे नमो विश्वहर्त्रे नमो विश्वभोक्त्रे नमो विश्वमात्रे नमो विश्वनेत्रे नमो विश्वजेत्रे नमो विश्वपित्रे नमो विश्वमात्रे नमो विश्वकर्त्रे नमो विश्वहर्त्रे नमो विश्वभोक्त्रे नमो विश्वमात्रे नमो विश्वनेत्रे नमो विश्वजेत्रे नमो विश्वपित्रे नमो विश्वमात्रे.
Tamam. Next one, Charu. Well chanted issue. Namaste, namaste.
नमस्ते 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 नमस्ते
समस्त प्रपंच प्रभोग
समस्त प्रपंच प्रभोग समस्त प्रपंच प्रभोग
प्रयोग
प्रयोग प्रयोग
प्रमाण प्रवीण
प्रमाण प्रवीण प्रमाण प्रवीण
मदीयं मनस्त्वत्पदद्वन्द्वसेवाम्
मदीयं मनस्त्वत्पदद्वन्द्वसेवा मदीयं मनस्त्वत्पदद्वन्द्वसेवा
विधातुं प्रवृत्तम्
विधातुं प्रवृत्तम् विधातुं प्रवृत्तम्
सुचैतन्यसिद्ध्यै
सुचैतन्यसिद्ध्यै सुचैतन्यसिद्ध्यै.
Tamam. So here multiple dvitvams are there. Just pointing out these to you. So namaste, namaste, samasta prapancha. If you see there is a hyphen here, we should not split. We will chant the entire half a verse together, the first and the second pada. Namaste, namaste, samasta prapancha prabhoga prayoga pramana pravina. Everywhere you can hear the p doubling, right? Beautiful dvitvam here. Samasta prapancha prabhoga prayoga pramana pravina. So dvitvam and the same pra is also repeated. Shabdalankara. Madiyam manastvat padadvandva sevam. Again here we don't split the word. It is a samasta padam. Madiyam manaha tvat padadvandva sevam. So my mind is devoted towards offering service at your feet to attain the knowledge of the self. That is the meaning. Vidhatum pravrittam. Dha Mahaprana. Here in the second line, Prabhoga. Bho is Mahaprana. Suchaitanya Siddhyai. There here, Siddhyai, Dha is Mahaprana. We will do one line at a time just for now. I will stop at the first line, but we are not supposed to stop there. Next time, we will do the first and the second line together. Namaste, namaste, samasta prapancha.
Namaste, namaste, samasta prapancha. Namaste, namaste, samasta prapancha.
Prabhoga prayoga pramana pravina.
Prabhoga prayoga pramana pravina. Prabhoga prayoga pramana pravina.
Madiyam manastvatpadadvandvasevam.
Madiyam manastvatpadadvandvasevam. Madiyam manastvatpadadvandvasevam.
Bidhatum pravrittam suchaitanya siddhyai.
Vidhatum pravrittam suchaitanya siddhyai. Vidhatum pravrittam suchaitanya siddhyai.
Okay, now 2 lines at a time. Namaste, namaste, samasta prapancha prabhoga prayoga pramana pravina.
Namaste, namaste, samasta prapancha prabhoga prayoga pramana pravina. Namaste, namaste, samasta prapancha prabhoga prayoga pramana pravina.
Madiyam manastvatpadadvandvasevam vidhatum pravrittam suchaitanya siddhyai.
Madiyam manastvatpadadvandvasevam vidhatum pravrittam suchaitanya siddhyai.
Tatra, there after third line, we can combine the sandhi sevam vidhatum. Sevam vidhatum. We could chant like that while combining third and fourth line. Once again.
Madiyam manastvatpadadvandvasevam vidhatum pravrittam suchaitanya siddhyai. Madiyam manastvatpadadvandvasevam vidhatum pravrittam suchaitanya siddhyai.
Uttamam. Now the entire verse. Namaste, namaste, samasta prapancha prabhoga prayoga pramana pravina. Madiyam manastvatpadadvandvasevam vidhatum pravrittam suchaitanya siddhyai.
Namaste, namaste, samasta prapancha prabhoga prayoga pramana pravina. Madiyam manastvatpadadvandvasevam vidhatum pravrittam suchaitanya siddhyai. Namaste, namaste, samasta prapancha prabhoga prayoga pramana pravina. Madiyam manastvatpadadvandvasevam vidhatum pravrittam suchaitanya siddhyai.
Uttamam. Uttamam, Charu, well chanted. Now, request Ishu to please chant 11 to 15, the verses we have learned today.
त्वमेवासि दैवं परं मे यदेकं सुचैतन्यमेतत्त्वदन्यं न मन्ये यतो भूतमेनं यद्वायुतेजो जलोर्व्यादिकार्यं चरं चाचरं च नमः सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय तस्मै नमो देवदेवाय रामाय तुभ्यम् नमो जानकी जीवितेशाय तुभ्यं नमः पुण्डरीकाय ताक्षाय तुभ्यम् नमो भक्तियुक्तानुरक्ताय तुभ्यं नमः पुण्यपुञ्जैकलभ्याय तुभ्यम् नमो भक्तियुक्तानुरक्ताय तुभ्यं नमः पुण्यपुञ्जैकलभ्याय तुभ्यम् नमो वेदवेद्याय चाद्याय पुंसे नमः सुन्दरायेन्दिरावल्लभाय नमो विश्वकर्त्रे नमो विश्वहर्त्रे नमो विश्वभोक्त्रे नमो विश्वमात्रे नमो विश्वनेत्रे नमो विश्वजेत्रे नमो विश्वपित्रे नमो विश्वमात्रे नमस्ते नमस्ते समस्तप्रपञ्च प्रभोगप्रयोगप्रमाणप्रवीण मदीयं मनस्त्वत्पदद्वन्द्वसेवां विधातुं प्रवृत्तं सुचैतन्यसिद्ध्यै
Uttamam Ishu, well chanted. We have a few more minutes today. Let us go back to the first verse. In the order in which I see the hands, I will ask you to repeat. Chellam Vijayaraghavan Mahodaya. The first verse, please. Please unmute. When I call out your name, I will give you the access to the mic. So please unmute and chant. We will not be able to take too many. We just have 5 minutes, but we will anyway have a few today. Vijayaraghavan ji. Okay. We will come back to you. I think there's some problem unmuting. Ramesh ji. Please unmute. Ramesh
Yeah,
ji.
am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Yes.
Yeah. Vishuddham param satchidanandarupam gunadharamadharahinam varenyam mahantam vibhantam guhantam gunantam sukhantam swayam dhamaramam prapadye.
Uttamam, very well chanted. All the sandhis you combined very well. Uttamam, Ramesh Mahodaya. Anuradha Bhagini, Anuradha Kannan Bhagini. Next one.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Bhagini.
Shivannityamekam vibhum tarakakhyam sukhakaramakarah shunyam sumanyam mahesham kalesham suresham paresham naresham niresham mahesham prapadye.
Uttamam Bhagini. Very well done. Very happy to listen to all of you. Vishalakshi Kannan Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste.
Yada varnayat karnamule kale Shivo Rama Rameti Rameti Kashyam Tadekam Param Taraka Brahmarupam Bhajeham 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 Bhajeham. Sorry.
No, that's okay. That's okay. Bhagini, just here, Taraka Brahma Rupam. That Dvitvam, if it is clearer, it would be much better. Taraka Brahma. That B, Dvitvam there. And Bhajeham, I think you found it a little difficult to chant so many Mahapranas. But I'm sure you're aware because I could make out that you're aware that's a Mahaprana there. Yeah, that line requires a lot of breath also because there are 4 Mahapranas.
Actually,
Okay.
my asthma has improved after chanting Saundari Lagari daily. I mean,
Okay.
really, I used to take 6-7 puffs. Now it is reduced to 4 because of this chanting only, madam. Because you, actually, I really thank you so much.
This is really, we feel so happy. We can't express in words when all of us at Vyoma, when we hear such, such experiences, really. What else do we need? I mean, this is a huge, chanting is a very great exercise. And each one has their own individual experiences, and it is very subjective also, I mean, depends on how each one is practicing and your dedication and focus with which you do it. So happy that you shared, Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha.
Should I try the third and fourth line? Or
That's
Right.
okay because we have so many,
It's
and
okay.
so that's
Thank you
we
so
have
much.
more
Thank you.
chant. Thank you,
God bless you,
Bhagini.
Bhagini. God bless you.
Thank you so much. Pranams. Ram Ram. Okay. Madhubala Bhagini.
नमस्ते मैम।
Namaste.
महारत्नपीठे शुभे कल्पमूले सुखासीनमादित्यकोटिप्रकाशम् सदा जानकी लक्ष्मणोपेतमेकं सदा रामचन्द्रं भजेऽहम्।
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Vijay Lakshmi Bhagini. Vijay Lakshmi Kirtivasan Bhagini.
राम राम भगिनी।
Ram Ram.
वनद्रत्नमञ्जीरपादारविन्दल्लसन्मेखलाचारु पीताम्बराढ्यम् महारत्नहारोल्लसत्कौस्तुभाङ्गं नदच्छञ्चरी मञ्जरीलोलमालम्।
Very good, Bhagini. Very musical chanting. You corrected yourself last line, so you know what it is. Here, optionally, third line, fourth line, if you choose to combine, you could make it Kaustubhangan Nadachanchari. Dhanyavadaha. Well chanted, Bhagini. All of you are chanting very well. So happy to listen to you all. Sarita Bhagini. Sarita Garg. Sarita Bhagini.
नमस्ते।
Namaste.
लसच्चन्द्रिकास्मेरशोणाधराभं समुद्यत्पतङ्गेन्दुकोटिप्रकाशम् नमद्ब्रह्मरुद्रादिकोटिरत्नस्फुरत्कान्तिनीराजनाराधिताङ्घ्रिम्।
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Very well done. Next, Dr. Prakash Mohini ji, verse 7.
राम राम।
Ram Ram.
पुरः प्राञ्जलीनाञ्जनेयान्ति चिन्दमुन्द्रया
Bhaktan Swachin Mudraya. You can pause after Bhaktan. Anjaneyadi Bhaktan Swachin Mudraya.
पुरः प्राञ्जलीनाञ्जनेयान्ति भक्तान्
It is not Yandi, it is Anjaneyadi, not Yandi. Anjaneyadi Bhaktan.
Okay, yeah. पुरः प्राञ्जलीनाञ्जनेयान्ति भक्तान् स्वचिन्मुद्रया भद्रया बोधयन्तम् भजेऽहं सदा रामचन्द्रं त्वदन्यं न मन्ये।
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Tatra Anjaneyadi Bhaktan, the first line, please listen to the recording and practice. There is a variation in what you're chanting. So please listen to the recording and practice. Dhanyavadaha. Neha Bhagini.
आम् यदा मत्समीपं कृतान्तः समेते प्रचण्डः प्रकोपैर्भटैरभिषेयन् माम्
just a second. Prachanda prakopair-bhatair-bhishayen-mam.
यदा मत्समीपं कृतान्तः समेतः प्रचण्डः प्रकोपैर्भटैर्भिषेयन् माम् तदा
Second line you should practice.
तदा विष्करोषि त्वदीयं स्वरूपं सदा प्रणाशं सकोदण्डबाणम्.
Banam. Okay. Bhagini, the second line you must listen to the recording, please. And also, just all of you, please note this word here. It is kritantaha. It is not kru. It is not krutantaha. It is kritantaha.
Kritanta.
Like rishihi, rituhu, like that. Krishnaha. It is not kru. It is kritantaha. That please note that little distinction. Okay, धन्यवादाः भगिनी. Okay. Harshal Kaustubh Mahodaya. Verse 9.
Ram 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 Ma'am.
Ram Ram Ram. Who is this?
Mama Harshal.
Harshal va Bhavan.
Ha ma'am.
You're Harshal. Okay, yeah, please chant.
निजे मानसे मंदिरे सन्निधेहि प्रसीद प्रसीद प्रभो रामचंद्र ससौमित्रिणा कैकेयी नंदनेन स्वशक्त्यानुभक्त्या च संसेव्यमाना.
Uttamam, well chanted. If you choose to combine Sannidhehi, you can combine it as Sannidhehi Prasida. There, Dvitvam. Okay, Harshal? Well chanted. Uttamam. Okay. Gomati Ramachandran Bhagini. Gomati ji. Yes, Gomati ji, you're unmuted now. But can't hear you. Okay, we will see. There seems to be some issue there. Jayanti Bhagini.
स्वभक्ताग्रगण्यैः कपीशैर्महिषैरनीकैरनेकैश्च रामप्रसीद नमस्ते नमोऽस्त्वीश रामप्रसीद प्रसाधि प्रसाधि प्रकाशं प्रभो माम्.
Tamam. Jayanti ji, if possible, actually, I mean, I understand, maybe you found it a little difficult here. Kapishair Mahishair Anikairane Kaishcha should be chanted together. So you can pause after Anikairane Kaishcha to take a breath. But we should not pause after Anikai Rane Kaishcha. That would be wrong. But if you feel that you're not able to sustain your breath for so long, you could instead choose to chant it as Kapishair Mahishaihi. You chant the Visarga there, you pause there. Then you chant Anikair Anekaischa Rama Prasida.
Yes, ma'am. I'll try to do that because I have breath control issue.
Yes,
so
yes.
I think
I will
try.
You can pause wherever you're, like here after first pada, you can pause. You chant the Visarga completely. Then because Anikai Rane Kaischa would not be correct. Therefore, I'm saying.
You want me to try, ma'am, again?
That's okay, because I think there's so many waiting, but I won't be able to take everyone. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you.
Next, Prasad Gamini Mahodaya.
जय श्रीराम भगिनी।
Jai Shri Ram.
त्वमेवासि दैवं परं मे यदेकं सुचैतन्यमेतत्त्वदन्यं न मन्ये यतो भूतमेयं वियद्वायुतेजो जलोर्व्याधिकार्यं चरं चाचरं च।
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Well chanted. Optionally, you could chant it as Tvadanyanna Manye, combining the Anuswara and Na. That's an optional rule. I think you are sending us quite a few edits to be made to the Telugu script. So, request you to please make a list, Mahodaya, and send it to us. I will get it checked with the team in the Telugu PDF.
Sure, Bhagini.
Dhanyavadaha. Thank you so much. Okay. Sitaraman Mahodaya.
नमो नमः।
Namo Namaha.
चिदानन्दरूपाय तस्मै नमो देवदेवाय रामाय तुभ्यं नमो जानकीजीवितेशाय तुभ्यं नमः पुण्डरीकाय ताक्षाय तुभ्यं।
Uttamam Mahodaya, well chanted. All of you have got the rules of pronunciation and all. You have been able to appreciate it well. Kirti ji, 13th verse, please.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste, Bhagini.
Namo bhakti yuktanuraktaya tubhyan namah punya punjai kalabhyaya tubhyam. Namo veda vedyaya chadyaya pumse namah sundarayendri ravallabhaya.
Last line again.
Namah sundarayendri ravallabhaya.
Mantra, I am hearing it as Yendri. It is Namas Sundara Yendira. Indira is the word there. Indira Vallabhaya. Indira refers to Goddess Lakshmi. Once again, please, Bhagini.
Namasundarayendira Vallabhaya.
Tamam. Yes, it is Indira. Well chanted, Bhagini. We will just complete till 15. I will take 2 more and we will conclude. Those who couldn't chant, my apologies. Tomorrow again, we will try to have more chanting. Darshani Mohan Bhagini. Ram Ram Ram.
Namo Vishvakartre, Namo Vishvahartre, Namo Vishvabhoktre, Namo Vishvamatre, Namo Vishvanetre, Namo Vishvajetre, Namo Vishvapitre, Namo Vishvamatre.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. KV Lakshmi Bhagini, next one.
Namaste, Bhagini.
Namaste. Vadatu, Lakshmi Bhagini. Kim abhavat? KV Lakshmi ji, what happened? Please unmute. Yes, yes.
Namaste, Namaste, Samasta Prapancha Prabhoga Prayoga Pramana Pravina Madiyam Manastvat Padadvandva Seva Vidhatum Pravrittam Suchaitanya Siddhyai.
Uttamam, well chanted. Thank you all so much for chanting. Very happy to listen to all of you. My apologies, others could not get a chance to chant today. We will have more sessions where you all can chant. We will conclude with Shanti Mantraha. We will meet tomorrow at the same time. Okay, just quickly the questions which I have not answered. Deepti ji, Dakshinamurti Stotram, I'm not sure. So if you go to Sanskrit from Home website and search courses, you can search all the chanting and you can type some keywords and you will know. Raju Mahodaya, yes, Nama Ramayanam has been done. Nama Ramayanam chanting course has been done. And also a book has been released recently with graphics, with pictures, a very beautiful publication, Nama Ramayanam, especially for children. in bold letters along with the images from Ramayanam on the other side of the page corresponding to the text. So very beautiful book, Nama Ramayanam, and also there has been a course by I think Lakshman Mahodaya. Unable to chant. Okay, those are facing issues with mics. Please check your system because here we have the same settings for everyone. I will unmute you when I call your name, so please do that. Any more questions, please send me an email. We will conclude with Shanti Mantraha. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayaha, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dhanyavadaha. Shvaha punarmilamaha. We will meet at the same time, 6:30 AM IST. Please practice, all of you. Sarvebhyaha dhanyavadaha. Ishu Charu, thank you so much for your assistance. Shvaha punarmilamaha. Ram Ram Ram.